In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Excel seamlessly using Zapier. This integration will enable you to automate data transfers between the two applications effortlessly, saving you time and reducing manual entry errors. Let's get started with the steps. First, we'll begin by signing in to Zapier, the automation tool we'll be using to link Notion and Excel. It's a versatile platform that allows you to create automated workflows between your apps without any coding skills. Once you're signed into Zapier, locate the Create Zap button and click on it. This action will set the stage for building your integration. Next, you'll need to choose a trigger, which is an event that starts your Zap. For the purposes of our integration, let's use the trigger New Database Item. Search and select Notion as the trigger app in Zapier. We're specifically looking for events where a new item is added to a database within Notion. Make sure to connect your Notion account to Zapier. You'll need to authorize Zapier to access your Notion data. Once connected, you'll select the exact database you want to monitor for new items. To ensure everything is set up correctly, run a test for this trigger. This helps verify that the connection between Zapier and Notion is active and responsive. With the trigger established, it's time to choose your action. What happens after the trigger event in Notion? For this integration, Microsoft Excel will be the action app. In Zapier, choose Create Row as the designated action. Now you'll need to connect your Microsoft account. Once your account is linked, select the appropriate Excel workbook and worksheet where you want the data from Notion to be recorded. This ensures that your information flows directly into the right place without additional editing required later. Now we'll map the fields between Notion and Excel. This part involves connecting specific properties from Notion to corresponding columns in Excel. For example, the Notion property task name will align with the Excel column task. Similarly, the status, due date, and notes fields need to be accurately mapped to ensure data is placed in the correct locations. Before going live, we must test the automation. Click on Test Action in Zapier. This test will create a new row in Excel to confirm everything is configured properly. Take a moment to review the new entry in Excel to make sure all the data from Notion has mapped correctly. Any discrepancies can usually be sorted out by revisiting your mappings. Finally, it's time to publish your Zap. Once you're satisfied with the test results, click Publish. Be sure to turn the Zap on to activate the automation. Now, every time there's a new item in your Notion database, a corresponding row is created in your Excel sheet, all without manual input. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Notion with Excel using Zapier. This streamlined process will definitely enhance your productivity, making sure you stay on top of your tasks with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.